Hi Sabbies, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, missing in action? Yes, me now. Christmas was really hectic. It was really hectic for me, and you know, true Caribbean style, mommy style business. Yeah, I had a lot to do. And I know I told you that I showed you the final look of my cupboards with the mirrors, and I did. So you're gonna see that in a subsequent video, and also you may see this video New Year's Day, but it's actually Old Year's and I'm recording it. So if you're new to the channel, I am Osai and thank you for joining me. And today I'm going to give you all a review on some of my Boxy Charm items I would have received for December. I got these items like way early in December, but as I told you, Christmas is like super crazy for me. Super crazy. So I had to have my mommy, had to have my sisters, and yeah, it was a lot. So we're gonna dive into the Boxy Charm. You already know, hit the subscribe button, click that notification bell, and thank you so much for remaining subscribed to me. Even though I have not reached 1,000 subscribers, hey, I'm at 870 and I'm still eternally grateful for you guys for subscribing and watching my videos. So yeah, Trinidad, when I get into it. Alright, so the first item I'm going to review in the Boxy Charm, I'm quite sure, okay, some stuff just fell there. I'm quite sure you guys know Boxy Charm. Yes, Boxy. And it's a $25 subscription box, and you have the option of confirming an item, one item in your box, and the others are sent via random. And I got variation number 9, I think. I did use some of the items, which I said why it's a review. So give you guys what I honestly think of some of the items sent to me in this Boxy Charm subscription box. So the first item, oh, I didn't even, why do they stock card? Right, so they send you a stock. They send you a stock card, and the card note gives you an idea of the items and the cost of it. So the first one would be the Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. It retails at $79 US. I like the oil. I've been using it since I received my Boxy. I think I received my Boxy around the 15th of December or the 12th of December, somewhere around there. And for me, the oil really does work good. It has this really rose, yeah, it is rose oil. The rose oil scent is really strong. It's like real rosy. I'm not a rose oil scented fan. However, I always wanted to try the Elemis oil. The Pro Collagen Facial Oil, it works good. For me, it plumps the skin. Yes, it does. It gives you this fullish, nice look on the skin. So I have to say I like that about it. And it keeps it hydrated and moisturized. So if you did get this, I know you're going to love it in the box. It is absolutely amazing. I love it. So yes, $79 US. It's a steal of a deal to get this in a $25 box. Yeah. The next one would be the brow. Let me see which part this brow thing is. So it's the brow bar brow makeover kit. This is what the box looks like. Oh, my lights. Right, so this is what the box looks like, and this is how the brow packet looks like. Sorry for the nails, because you know I get out to make pastels, bunch of all kind of things, so no nails this wrongs. I didn't really like this. Like, honestly, it is not my favorite. I think, I don't know, I didn't like it. The color, these are like the brown or black color you can use. It's a powder type thingy that you can use to fill in the brow, and this is a cream. Oh, the cream did work nice under the brow to highlight. So yes, the cream finish was really cute, but these two colors, nah, I didn't like it. I've extra play with it as I put it in a giveaway, the little brushy thing fall on somewhere. But yeah, I didn't like it. It's by, who the heck is these people? By Rima. And how much this thing cost? Goodness gracious me, when you just like, I just had the card, oh, it fell. Right, so this they said cost 30 US. Like, serious? 30 US for this? Nah. I mostly like 15 US, not 30. Like, no, I don't like it. The cream on the eye highlights, or whatever the name of the thing is, I like that. That works really nice. But that element, even the elements, what the heck is wrong with me? This brow thing, no, I can't see this being 30 US. So if this is 30, it's 30. The highlighter I got is Chianti, the Chianti, good lord, marbled light illuminating blusher. This is pretty. This is pretty. It retails for 26 US. I can see why it's 26 US. It's really, really nice. It gives you this high-end tight feel and look about it. And yeah, oh well, look, we're covering the damn thing. It's so pretty. And I have to say, I really like it. It made my cheeks look rosy, you know, like even though because I'm brown skin, the pink color really does look nice. I have it on my cheeks at the moment, and you'll see how beautiful this thing looks. Yeah, this, I like it. 26 US. Yeah, I can see why it's 26 US. Who made this? Siate. What did Jill bring with me? Alright, and the fourth item I got in the box would be the Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tale palette. It's this little pinky thing. I thought I want to get the other darker color, so I'm not really a fan of this, so this definitely will be in a giveaway. So the giveaway, I'll set the rules and so on in it. I have one of the marble masks from my previous Boxy that's going to be in the giveaway as well. And I'll give some information on the giveaway in another video, so you guys would see what are the instructions on what you have to do. Basically, just be a subscriber to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and refer a friend to my channel, and the friend put a name who sent them to subscribe and so on. So yeah, so you're gonna see this. It's gonna be this. It's going to be one of the marble face thingies. There's some other stuff I got as well, and another makeup palette that I purchased from LA Girl is going to be also included in the giveaway. So yeah guys, I'm going to give you like a little boxy box something giveaway. So it's going to be nice. So I don't know how this has worked out because I have not swatched it. I didn't want to do that. It's unsanitary to do that and then put it on a giveaway. But I really do hope it works well. The reviews I've been seeing about it online has been good. So yeah, and it's a good palette for those of you who are new to the makeup game and want to get something to play with. Yeah, this is an excellent option. So yeah, so I can't tell you how it swatches. First, so far Boxy has always sent some really good palettes in their box, so I can't say it might be bad now. It looked nice, and the reviews online where I saw persons would have done eye looks with it was really good. I really would have liked the darker color one, but yeah, so this is going to be in the giveaway. Makes no sense I hold on to this, basically because I have like lots and lots of palettes, and the palettes have these exact same colors in it, and it would just be ridiculous for me to keep this there and I'm not going to use it. That's wasting money. So because I already have a palette, I think it was the Pretty Mess Too Faced palette, is similar colors to this. I'm going to be giving this one away to you guys. I really do hope you guys enjoy it, and as I said, I'm going to put the rules down for the giveaway as well. I also got the what is Astasia Pro Brush Cleaner. I have not used this one as yet either because I have my stuff to clean my makeup brushes already, and I'm considering giving this one in a giveaway. In the giveaway as well, to include these two items along with the other parts and some makeup brushes and so on. My favorite makeup brushes from either BH Cosmetics or e.l.f. So yeah, so guys, how much I said that palette was? Look at me talking. The palette is 35 US. I can see this being 35. The packaging is really cute and amazing, and the colors look so good. They look nice. So I can see this being 35. The brush cleaner and conditioner, it retails for 12 US. Yeah, so this is realistic. I have not tried it as yet, so I was like, I can't really give a review on what I think about it, but what I've been seeing online is that it works really well. But hey, anything you can clean your brushes and I'm with. I ain't no fussy mossy chick. So yeah, I'm not gonna hold on to it, and then I ain't gonna use it and stay there, and no. So it's best I give it away in my giveaway. So you guys gonna like. So that's it for my box for December. I can't wait for the January box. Like, I can't wait. There's a really cute Ace Beauty palette that I want in that box. So I can't wait for it. And this is what the stock card looks like. Oh my goodness, the lighting. Why did I even bother? Yeah, so yeah, and that's it this month for my box. So as I said, the star of the box was really this oil. I don't like the rosy scent. I just don't. I don't really like the rosy scent, but it really does a good job in keeping your skin plump, hydrated, moisturized, I really like it. This is the box that it came in, and as I've been using it for the past 2 weeks, yeah, I like it. Yeah. Oh yeah, and I said what? Smooth, nourishes, and yeah, it does all that. God, I didn't like that rose oil scent, but it smells like an old lady, like a tanty. I just no. But I use it when I go to bed, so. So guys, so that's it for the review on the Boxy Charm items. You're gonna see another video with me looking all like this. So I'm gonna use my phone to record our clips for New Year, New Year, all years into New Year Day celebration and the countdown and all of that dramas. And then I'm also gonna be showing you guys some of the items I would have made for the Christmas season to make my house so Christmassy. So yeah, so thank you so much for joining me. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, do not forget to subscribe, hit that notification button as I said in the beginning of the video, and yeah, share my videos with your friends, your family. Yeah, so thank you, and on to the next one. Bye guys. Mr. Robinson, you never know, come on here with him. My makeup looking good. I find it looking hazy. Oh no, because I put it in up. You see me looking like a real African queen. My African queen.
Stop it.